Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to copy paste value in Google Sheet. So let's start. First open your Google Sheet and you can see in my Google Sheet showing the sales data. This data in the sales amount column I have added the values. When I select this cell, you can see in formula bar that calculates these totals. Okay, but I want to keep only the one final value, not the formula. Okay. For that, you can copy and paste value in Google Sheet. Simply select the data, you just drag with the mouse and you can select here entire data. And the second way is simply select the inside the cell and you can use here the Control A to select the entire data. After that, right click on the mouse and click on the copy. Then select the cell where you want to paste this data in value. So I select this cell, right click on the mouse, click on the paste special and click on the first option values only. And that's it. You can see your data paste in value. When I select this cell amount, you can see in formula bar showing only value. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.